Hey, this is Darren with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics in Jacksonville, Florida. We're working on a 2013 Tesla Model S P85. Did a little system in here. Kept everything factory look. Obviously, it has the factory radio in here. On the front doors, we did some Hertz Energy 6.5 components. And we built some custom adapters for those. We sell those on our website. We actually retained the factory angle as well, so they angle up at you just like the factory intended. We did tweeters up here in the dash. We made some adapters for those so they pop right in. And then coming to the back, same thing in the back doors. My camera keeps kicking off, but we did some Hertz DC coaxials in the rear here. Same thing, we retained the factory angles and built some adapters, machined them. In the trunk here, did a custom enclosure in the side here. It's actually a stack fab enclosure, one of our Phantom Fit boxes, so we sell those on our website as well. Basically what we do is we stack some wood up, like 3/4 inch strips of wood, so it's real strong, and then we go ahead and fiberglass the inside of it. So the box is super strong. It's a lot stronger than a fiberglass enclosure. Everything's factory still. We built a little board over here. We put the amp underneath there. We used a bit 10, Audison bit 10. So he still has all the space and everything down here. And then the amp and the bit 10 are right underneath there, but you can get those on our website as well. So you can go to store.audiodesignscg.com and check us out online. Or if you're in Jacksonville, you can come check us out. We're on Atlantic Boulevard, 904-333-2322. Hey, this is Darren with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics. We're working on a Tesla Model S. These are our front speaker adapters. We sell these on our website. We actually angle them to match the factory angle so the sound comes up at you a little bit. We also sell a fast ring for these. Alright, so these are the fast rings here. They basically go over the front. So on the back of the door panel, which I'll show you in a second, actually has a ring on it, and it pushes into that fast ring, so all your sound comes out, so it doesn't get trapped in between the door panel and the back of the door here. So it gives it a lot better sound. And the front speaker you can put up to a 3-inch deep speaker, and then the back speakers here, same thing. I don't have the fast ring on it, but we have the adapters for the doors here. They're basically, you could put a 2 5/8 inch deep speaker in the rears. But we make these for 6.5s, 5 1/4s. You can put the fast rings on here as well. These are all machined out of expanded PVC, so they're super strong. They're not wood, so they won't get wet and swell up and end up going bad on you. So you can check them out on our website, store.audiodesignscg.com. And here's what I was referring to on the back of the door. It has this lip right here, so that lip presses into the fast ring, so it seals it, so that way the speaker just plays straight through, straight out, and none of your acoustical music or anything to get caught up in here. So they're a great product. All right, we machined the Tesla. These are the tweeter adapters here, so they're the proper height. What you want to do is make sure your tweeter fits in here, because some of these tweeters are real big and it won't drop down in there. So just make sure that tweeter actually fits down in that hole. And then all you do basically, try to do this with one hand, just put this little ring on here. And machine these real tight so they don't fall out. And then it just clips in just like the factory. So you can just mount it in there. Clips right in. And there you go.